Yo, XRP fans! If you're serious about raking in profits, you've got to hear about this XRP arbitrage strategy. Today we're diving into Konex, a rising star in the exchange game with some juicy price gaps, and we're going to show you how to cash in on that. Here's what we're looking at. XRP on Konex is trading about 10% higher than on Bybit. This kind of gap is pure gold for arbitrage. If you've been in the game, you know these opportunities don't last forever, so let's jump in while it's hot. Step 1. Scoop up XRP on Bybit at the lower price. Once we've got our XRP locked down, we transfer it to Konex. Heads up, always make sure the network fees are low enough to make the trade worth it. Typically, they're minimal compared to what we're about to make. Once our XRP lands on Konex, we flip it for USDT at that 10% higher rate. That's the sweet spot where our arbitrage play pays off, and now we've got USDT ready to roll. To close the loop and get ready for the next round, we send that USDT back to Bybit using the TRC20 network. Trust me, this is the move. TRC20 is not just faster, but also way cheaper on fees. It's a no-brainer to keep your gains intact and not lose out on unnecessary costs, and that's how it's done. We pulled off a clean XRP arbitrage, buy low, sell high, and cash out with TRC20 for minimal fees. The market isn't always this simple. Prices shift, fees change, but if you stay ahead of the curve and make smart moves, you can keep stacking those wins. Keep grinding, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later, XRP crew.